What's up, Nate? Hello, how are you? We're having a nice Saturday. I just woke up from a nap. We're gonna make a little dinner, and we're gonna use garlic to season our vegetables. And so I thought, you know what? Let's talk about garlic because garlic, right here, comes in a couple different colors. Sometimes you'll see one that's like more pink or reddish. Um, this is the one we got. Typically, we buy everything organic, of course. But garlic is great because it has a lot of nutrients and minerals, especially because mom can't have salt. It is a great way to flavor food, and you really can't overdo it. Sometimes I try to put so much garlic in to try to be like, whoa, too much garlic. Because a lot of times I'll add garlic to the vegetables when I cook them, and you can't even tell. So we'll be liberal when we do it. But right now we're going to show how to dice it so that we can season food. The one thing to remember is that if you're going to cook garlic and onions together before you throw in like your green beans or whatever, garlic will burn really fast. And so garlic can be like the last thing you throw in with just a couple minutes. Because if you put it in with the onion, the garlic will be like black little dots. Anyway, you'll notice this apron. Do you remember when I worked at IHOP in Pflugerville, north of Austin? Man, that must have been like 2005. The midnight shift? It was crazy. Anyway, I still have it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll break up some of these cloves. So I know that I call the garlic skin paper like 5 times in this video while I'm doing this. And so just so we know, it's called skin. Put this stuff in the compost. Set this aside. So we have this. They're papery, so it's kind of hard to get the paper off. But typically the way to break it up, so they're super hard and you want to get the layer off, but also you want to open up the good flowing juices, the goodness that the garlic has. So we do one of these, put your knife on it sideways, and you kind of crush them. Some people do like this, but whatever. And now you'll see that the paper has come off and the garlic, you can smell it. So it makes it a little bit easier to work with. It smells delicious. So here is a sped up clip of me trying to get all the skin off. It's important. It takes a minute, gets your fingers all sticky, but it's important so that you don't have that stuff in your food. Okay, so for chopping stuff like this, we want to use a chef's knife. And I'm not a pro at knives. I'm not a knifeologist. But the reason you want to do this is because you can get like a chopping pattern. As opposed to like a knife like this, it's not the same. So what we'll do is cut the little butts off. So this is good for me to watch myself doing this because I've never been properly trained on how to cut things, and I know that they're like, if you work in a proper kitchen as a line cook or whatever, you cook in a way where you don't accidentally cut your finger off, and I could use some training on that. So maybe we'll make a video at some point on how to properly cook safely. The fineness of the dice is up to you. You could just cut them into a few big pieces and throw in big chunks, or make it super fine, depending on whatever you want. Okay, so the camera can zoom in on this. You know, we can get finer if we want. These are a little green, actually, but they'll work. So yeah, that's it. And from this, you can sprinkle this in with your eggs. You can throw it over a vegetable that's got olive oil all over it. Throw it into a soup. Throw it into all kinds of stuff. But that's it, diced garlic. Smells pretty good. Can you smell it? Just kidding, you can't smell it. All right, have a good day. Thank you for coming.